my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Memorial Day wreath, and I am going to use things that I got from the Dollar Tree. And so I'm just going to go ahead and just get started. So I decorate for this holiday just because my brother was in the military and he actually passed away 8 years ago on July 3rd. And I did a special home tour on his birthday, April 5th. And if you'd like to check that video out, I will leave a link down below for that. But yes, I usually just do, go the extra mile and do special things on this day just to remember him.
We could sit in the shade.
So I was using the ribbon, just using the whole pieces, and then I realized that it was just too hard to try to tie it that way. So I end up just cutting them in half and doing it that way. So because I cut it in half, I didn't use a whole lot of ribbon. So if you do this, you only need 4 packs of them and not as many as I have out.
Sweet delivery is never guaranteed, no matter the place or time. Oh, I like when you're whispering and really listening. Not too much fuss, so keep it easy. We could sit in the shade, talk till late, and then we'll see. We can go for walks, stroll on the city park, and maybe, just maybe, take my hand, come on, let's go.
So I'm tying them right now, but then I couldn't decide whether or not if I wanted to continue to do that or if I wanted to take the ribbon and wrap it around. And I tried to wrap it around as best as I could. I looked on Pinterest to try to see like how they do it, and I just couldn't get it, and it just wasn't looking right. And so I ended up taking that apart and just doing the tying it the way I was doing it. I really wanted to use the Home of the Free because of the braid sign, but it just wasn't looking right, and I couldn't get it to look right onto the wreath. And so I just ended up using the heart shape, Proud to be an American. I love how it turned out. Putting the ribbons together to try to cut them together was going to be a little faster, but it was just all tangled up, and it was faster to just do one set of ribbons at a time and to cut them that way.
looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said an open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. This year I'm going to start a new chapter. Ignore the tears and only write down the laughter. An open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own.
So I tried to hot glue this at first and it was just not working out, and I just don't have the best hot glue gun. I actually think I got that from like the Dollar Tree or something, or the Dollar General store, so it wasn't the best thing. So I ended up going to get my E6000 and I glued it on, and at first I was just going to try to like fan it and just make it glue or stick faster, and then I just ended up just letting it stay overnight, and I came in from work and I went back to it to working on it, so it actually got to dry for about 24 hours.
And anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon.
So I wanted to add a few more pieces at the top just to kind of fill it in a little bit more, but I think it turned out so cute. I'm going to show you it just hanging up outside. But thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll know whenever I post a new video out. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.
I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold